Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take a moment and show you guys a brand new 2021 Scout 255 LXF that we just got custom built and received in for a customer of ours. And we had to take a moment and walk you through it. You can see this beautiful bow. This customer chose the Grigio interior with that light cream and light gray. That's an ultra vinyl material that's nice and soft and cushy. Removable backrest here in the bow. Cup holders throughout. He also chose for the rod holder cup holders up here in the bow, so that doubles as a rod holder and a cup holder. You see the standard windlass from Scout. We did upgrade the stereo system to the JL audio. Flip down table with a cooler box. Dry storage, insulated cooler boxes in the front. Nice and clean, polished, finished edges. Scout is known and famous for. This can be converted as a fish box, which this client so did. Looking back in front of the console, the standard cooler box. Again, storage throughout. He also opted for the windshield option on our hardtop. And if Carl pans up here, you see that Lumitech light bar option he selected as well. Moving back to the helm. You'll see this customer chose the 12-inch Garmin, upgraded from the standard 9. He also chose the autopilot option for Garmin. We have the Mercury digital throttle and shift, and this customer chose a brand new pair of 200 digital shifting Verado, or V6s, and the Scout white color as well. Edson steering wheel with the standard tilt-wheel Helm wheel. Flip bolsters. And drop-down armrests on the upgraded leaning post. He also selected the VHF option. That's up top. We'll show you down here in the console real quick. So he did get a boat cover, and then we've got our storage cover in there, but he opted for the porcelain head and battery charging system. Moving back to the cockpit here, you'll see this upgraded leaning post. He upgraded for the secondary live well. Cup holders, rod holders across the back, knife storage in the Corion counter, and as well as plier storage. Pull out 65 quart Yeti. That is gas shock assisted. We have our systems access down below. So easy access, Scout is becoming more and more known for the easy access for their pumps and filters. So if you're maintaining and servicing it long term, it's easy for that customer to do. You see this customer also opted for the Reverso automatic outboard flushing system. So you plug in with a quick disconnect with a hose in the back, push that button, and you can run and cycle the engine's fresh water easily between the two with one hookup. The standard pop-out seat here in the back. Standard live well with tension hinges so we don't slam those fingers of ours. We've got raw water and freshwater washdown. Tackle storage right here through the walkthrough. And again, as we move to the back, he did opt for the ski tow option, and as well as the twin 200, like we said, from Mercury. Guys, if you guys would like to build a similar boat to this customer's beautiful boat, feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. Again, my name's Dotson Guys. Carl Anderson behind the phone. If you guys can help, need any help, please reach out to us. Thank you.